What is it? Recently? No. Come to my room when you can. Oh, I think there's a new Fortnite update soon.
You like that dick, don't you, girl? You like that? You like that dick? Ooh.
Uh, on Friday the 13th, I went on the item shop. I went to look. I thought that was gonna be in the shop, but it was alright. Yo, yo, my aimless threw me. Yo, my aimless yo. Yo, that's whatever. I might just play regular game. Yo, yo. so strange. It just did it right there again. Yo, it's wow. I don't know what to say. So what's happening is, right, I'll go to use the aim assist, and say the player's over here, right? It'll go, that's the player right there, and it'll just go off to the side instead of like actually going off to the player. So that's the player, it'll go over there. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the player's over here, it'll go over here. This, and then like, alright, for example, like, that's not everything. The other one is, like, say there's a player, right? Boom, 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 done, right? It'll like throw the build off. So like, I'll be building, and it'll completely just throw the build completely off. Like, it'll just throw it away. Like, I'm building, 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 and like, if I'm going left to right, it'll go like left to right. Look, I don't know. It's just weird. I think it's I think it's my computer. I don't think my computer could actually keep up with like how fast I'm going. Oh, because, oh, the other thing is, look. So I'm playing, right, and since I don't get a good FPS, I don't get good FPS. Before I was using like 60, right? I was using like 60 FPS. I was just playing at 60. But then I thought about it. I was like, well, you know, let's try to uncap and just use unlimited. So right now I'm currently using unlimited FPS. Why? Because my computer just can't. Like, if I try to stop it at like 100, it won't just stay at 100. It will like keep going up and down, right? Uh, uh, that was just so like, alright, my computer's good. My computer's good. I have like a good computer, but it's not the best. So my computer is good as a console. This computer is just as good as a console. So my computer is basically a console. It gets like 60 FPS. It runs games. I can play a lot of games, but it's just not good enough. All it gets is like 60 FPS. Literally, all it gets is like barely 60. Like if I was to put it on 60, it would just jump up and down. It wouldn't like stay consistently at 60. And that's why sometimes it don't like to get good aim assist chat. I don't think y'all know, but people talk about this all the time, especially when like um so when the world was going from like console to PC, you know, all those console gamers were going to computer, like literally like there was just like a random transition, right? There was like a transition. It was like people going from console to PC. Everyone would say the same thing, like, "Oh, aim assist is much different compared. Aim assist on a computer is different from aim assist on a console," and a lot of that has to do with the FPS. The more FPS, the better the aim assist, because um, it's how fast your system reacts to the aim assist, and our system is good, but it's not the fastest and it's not the bestest. So what happens is mid battle, I'll be building, and the game has to register the builds. The game has to register the input. The game also has to register the aim assist, the builds, the edits, the aim assist. You know, it has to take everything into consideration. You know, it's got to render this, render that, download this, download that. So in the middle of all that, my computer can't keep up with all of it. My computer barely gets 60 FPS. Okay, if I was to put it on FPS, look, I'll show y'all right now. I'm not exaggerating. Okay, I'm so serious. All right, look, uh, where is it? Uh, where is it? Oh, all right, right now I have it unlimited. I'm gonna put it down to. I'm gonna put it down to 60. Look at the top right. Look at the top right. Look. Look at the top right. It's it's at 60, but from time to time it'll jump up and down, up and down. It's not doing it right now, but it does from time to time. Look right there, you see? It's hard to catch. It's hard to catch, but it sometimes it do. Sometimes it do. So, what instead of just playing at 60 and capping, what I'm doing is I'm playing at unlimited. Fuck it, like whatever. I don't give a fuck. I just think it's better that way. I just think it's better that way. Like that's like all right. Put it like this, right? That's like that's like capping your FPS. Why you gonna cap your FPS? That don't make sense. The more the better. You know, I'm thinking about it differently. Like I watch a lot of videos. I watch a lot of like I watch a lot of optimizing videos. You know how to optimize the game, this, that, third, right? A lot of the times it'll say like, oh, cap your FPS. It'll perform better. If you have a 160 if you have a 160 monitor, cap at 160 FPS, and it goes together. Yeah, it says that. It says that, right? That's what it'll say. Like those videos say that. But then I thought about it differently. I was like, why the fuck are you? That's dumb. That's like putting. You know how like sometimes all right. So say you have a water hose, right? And you're using the water hose and there's water coming out the water hose. That's like putting a finger over the water hose. All that's gonna do is just block the water and have it spray you. Why not let the water flow completely and let all the water out? It's not like I'm watching. Like the only other thing I'm doing while playing is live streaming. That's the only thing I'm doing. It's not like I'm watching videos. It's not like I'm editing. It's not like I'm doing homework. If I do, I'm using my phone. If I do, I'm using my laptop. You know. The only reason why some people say to cap is because if you're multi what's it called? If you're multitasking, they say to cap. It'll help with the performance. But yeah, when are you actually like when are you actually multitasking? It's either one or the other. You either play or you watch a movie. So I thought about it. I was like, alright, 9 times out of 10 I'm playing. I'm not actually like watching and playing. And if I am, it's on the phone or on my laptop. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually I'm actually using unlimited because I feel like I'm gonna use all my FPS. I'm gonna like my I'm gonna use all the FPS I can use. Check this. I'm gonna use all the FPS I can use. You get it? Like it just makes sense. And it is working. I do see a performance improvement. I am seeing a performance improvement. Obviously, from time to time I get mad. Like, what's other than that, it's working. Yeah, and I made that decision because I just got tired. I was just over the fact that I kept fucking getting FPS drops in my game. Like I'll be mid battle and I get some drop. It's just like nah, fuck. So I just uncap, not cap. Because I find myself doing that. I'd get all fucking mad. I'd be like, oh, what the fuck? But then I was like, oh, you know what? Fuck this. I have a better idea. Uncap instead of staying cap. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't explain that. I was just random. Which is cringe. Which is cringe. I find myself in this situation too much. Like I'll be doing that and then boom, that happens. It's just cringe. Oh dude. Uh, this isn't true. What do we do here, chat? $2. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. That was fucking. What the fuck was that? Whatever. Anyway, yeah. Anyway.
Operator, you have returned. I am Ordis, Ship Cephalon, the shadow of my former self. I cannot serve the operator in such a condition. Order me to self-destruct. I will understand. The Grenier are ravenous for this old technology. It is superior to theirs. Perhaps there are systems left in the orbiter compartment? Look at this mess. Those savages. Components have been removed. The lower orbiter compartments have no life support. Why did the operator abandon me? Arsenal management could be restored if the operator wishes it.
So what this is called Warframe. It's a game on the phone. I just started playing.
Now I can supply the operator with better modded firepower. Oh, the violation. Those have been looted as well.
Yeah, it's a game on the phone. I just started
We
playing.
need to figure
It's
out
free to
where
play.
Captain
It's
Vor
available on
sent
the
you and
marketplace
stop him, but we'll need help.
for free.
I found a communication segment we might salvage for your ship. When you are ready, activate your navigation system. Boy, this sounds the operator. I should have been here for his release.
Yeah, so this is Warframe. Warframe is a free-to-play game. This is on the phone. There's two versions. Well, there's multiple versions. You know, it's on console, it's on PC, and it's on and it's free. It's one of the few games that are completely free. You know, it's legit all free. Like everything is free. Obviously, there's some stuff that you can buy and pay for. You know, but everything for the most part is free. You know, there's not too many games like that, so you know that's a plus. Whoa, what's this? There's planets? What the fuck? Yo, there's planets. Yo. Okay, there's Glory Delta, Europa, Jupiter, Saturn, Ceres, Mercury, Uranus, Venus, Sedna, Deimos, Mars, Earth, Neptune, Phobos, Aries, Pluto. Yo, chat, what? I did not know that. Wow. Okay. So what do we do? What's the fuck chat? Alright. I don't know what's to do. What do we do? What do we do here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 planets. Oh, see, I'm in the middle of I don't know what to do. What are you supposed to do? Does this come with instructions? I'll take a screenshot. I don't know what to do. Yo, so got some information. This information is about the game I'm playing called Warframe. Apparently, by the way, apparently there's rumors that there's another one on the way called Sophie. Apparently there's a lot of these types of games, and the way that one works is it's like invite only. So what it is it's Warframe, but it's a different version of Warframe, and you have to sign up. And when you sign up, you have to be selected, and so like boom, right? Warframe has another version, but to get access to the other version, you have to sign up, and then other people will sign up too, and it randomly selects a winner to be able to play the other version, other versions on social. I was watching a live stream and the live streamer was talking about it. Good content. So, as I was saying, this is about Warframe. It's about the characters. It's about the characters. Every character has their own purpose, as we know. And right here it's saying, what purpose is for every character. It's saying, if you choose Excalibur, if you want to be a dedicated space samurai, your ultimate move is summoning a powerful energy group. Choose Volt if you want to be a lightning warrior who uses electricity to the enemy and then rushes in with his sword at super speed. Okay.
One more game, one more game, one more game.
Anyway, yeah. So I just asked, what do I do? It says it looks like you're just starting your journey in Warframe. Based on your start chart, your immediate goal is to progress through the early story missions to unlock the rest of the game. Here's exactly what you should do next. Follow the quest, Vor's Prize. The next restore ship comms on Earth indicates you are in the middle of the opening cinematic quest, Vor's Prize. Look for the blue gold diamond icon on the planet. That is your current objective. Completing this mission will unlock vital ship segments like the mod station and the foundry, which you need to get stronger. Unlock nodes. Currently, most of your location with Mariana, Mantle, etc. have a lock icon. You unlock nodes by completing this one connected to it by a solid white line. Start with the first available mission and work your way toward the Mars Junction, visible at the top of your screen. Clear the Mars Junction. Junctions are your level gates. Your new planets. Junctions are your new. Oh wait, no, it says junctions. Junctions are your level gates to new planets. To get to Mars, you eventually need to complete specific tasks listed when you hover over the node. Common early tasks include completing certain quests, defeating a specific number of enemies, collecting a specific resource. Quick pro tip: don't worry about the planes of Edelon or Thedas just yet. They are open world areas and can be quite difficult for a brand new player. Stick to the standard mission on the path to the junction first. Would you like me to explain how the modding system works once you get those ship comms back online? Yes. Once you finish restore ship comms, you'll unlock the mod station on your ship. Modding is the single most important part of Warframe. It's how you actually get stronger, far more than just leveling up your weapons. Think of your Warframe and weapons like a computer. Leveling them up increase their mod capacity, which essentially the RAM you have available. Install software mods. What? I'm confused. The core must have mods. At this stage, focus on finding and upgrading those specific mods. They are the foundation for almost every build. For your Warframe, Vitality increases health, Redirection increases shields. For your primary weapon, Rifle Shotgun, Serration increases base damage. Split Chamber adds multi-shot fire to bullets for the cost of one. Your melee weapon, Pressure Point, increases basement damage. How to equip them? Go to your arsenal in the back of the ship. Hover over a weapon or warframe and select upgrade. Drag a mod into an open slot. Notice the number in the top left of the mod. This is blah blah blah. Oh, it's basically saying whatever. Anyway, I still don't get it. I still don't understand. I don't understand. I don't get it. Apparently, I get it. I get it actually. So okay, these have a lock on it. So this is locked. That's locked. This is locked. That's locked. This is locked. This is locked. This is locked. But this one is gold and blue. The gold and blue one is one we have to focus on. Uh, so the ones that are locked, but the ones that are not locked are the ones we can do. Oh, okay, I got it. That makes sense. If it's locked, we can't do it. If it's locked, we can't. If it you get it, right? You get it. Oh, that makes sense. All right. So, when you start this game, you start and it gives you the option to choose three characters. Out of those three characters, I chose the character I went with because it just made the most sense. This is our character. This is the character we're gonna be using, and we're gonna try our best to build this character. Um, you know, I want to get to speedster level. There's speedsters on this game. You know, there's speedsters, and look, this is what a speedster is. Okay, on the right is the speedster. On the left is a regular player. Look, it says racing a Warframe speedster. Phew. Yeah, that's fast as fuck. Yeah, that's fast. So that's the level we want to get to. We want to be able to do that. Uh, so I think the way this game works is you get to select the character. When you select the character, you get to build the character that you select. And there's multiple ways you can build a character. You can build a support. You can build an attack. You can build a speedster. It's like EAFC. It's like NBA 2K. You make a build. You build your build. Only thing is, this is completely free. It's all free on the phone. But I also like this character because of the sword. It comes with the sword. That's what got my attention. I was like, holy fuck, a sword. A sword plus super fast abilities, almost like Flash. Yo, this chat, this thing has aim assist and it shoots on its own. So once it registers and detects a player, it just automatically locks on, and it shoots on its own. Like I could just do nothing. I'm actually just doing nothing, chat. Like playing this game, I'm doing nothing. Like all I'm doing is just moving around, doing nothing. The movement's good. You can slide, you can jump, you can aim and jump. It's actually a fun game to play. It's like Fortnite, chat. It's basically like Fortnite in a way. You can jump, you can slide, you can jump and aim. There's guns, there's swords. There's a little bit of everything. I like the sword though. The sword looks fucking cool. Oh and no, we don't have to worry about fucking FPS drops on here. Everything's all good and smooth. I don't think this controller could. I'm gonna try on controller. I'm turning my controller on. Oh wait, what? Are you serious? No way. I don't think so, Chad. I was just trying it. It wasn't working. Now it's working. Are you serious? Chad, I tried to go live before. Remember, I tried to go live and use the controller. It wasn't working. Now it is. Oh, but you can't do everything on here. Like I'm trying to slide to my right. Are you serious? Oh wow, that's interesting. The movement buttons are bumpers. What the fuck? I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix that. let's try to fix that. How do we fix that? How do we fix it? We can't. How do we do it though? Probably can. I'm Let me try this right here. I think playing controller is actually not the best idea, honestly. Let's try this. Oh wait, what? What did I just do? How did I just do? I just did something. I don't know. Sure. Alright, let's not use. Alright, I don't know. I don't know. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I think we're better off without it. I think we're better off without it. Abilities. Abilities need energy to activate. It can be picked up from fallen. Chat, this is our little game. This is our little game joint. We're playing our new little game joint. Our new little game joint. This is our other little game joint. This is our other little game joint. I found this little game. I found this little game looking for this other little game. I like this game, yeah. I actually like it. I like it because I don't have to think about. I don't have to think about too much. Like I'm literally doing nothing. It's doing it for me. Um, you know, I was just playing Fortnite and it was fucking me up because my system just can't keep up. Like my system's just too slow. And so I just like the I enjoy this one because it's on mobile. You know, it's simple. I like Fortnite. Fortnite is one of the best games. Super fun to play. But my thing is with Fortnite is I'm just not good enough yet. I'm just not good enough yet. And it is what it is. So um, that's not what I mean. What I mean is like, okay, Fortnite is fun. I enjoy it. I play it all the time, nonstop. The only thing is with Fortnite is I myself I could do better. Yes, I am. I'm good. I'm good as a player. Like I have a good idea. I can build. I can aim. I can shoot. I can do a little bit of everything on that game. But when it comes to like device hardware, like my computer just not good. My Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi not good. Like right now, chat on the phone, I'm actually not using Wi-Fi. I'm actually not using Wi-Fi. I'm not. Um, like my Wi-Fi not like chat to have fun on Fortnite. We have to have fun on Fortnite. It requires too much. Like you need to have good FPS. You need to have good Wi-Fi. You know, and we just don't have that. We just don't have that. We have everything else. We have the skill, we have the ability. Like I know how to use controller, I know how to use keyboard. Like I can switch inputs. Like I could on Fortnite, I could play keyboard. On Fortnite, I could play controller. Like I could play both. Okay. But it's the device, like my device, bro, my device. It just simply can't keep up. Like it just simply can't keep up. Like I'll be mid game and I'll start fucking lagging. I'll just start fucking lagging. And then in chat, I just want to let y'all know I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, yo. Don't come over here pointing fingers like, oh this, oh that, No, chat. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. Like, I love the game. I actually love the game. Like, it's super fun. I play it nonstop all the fucking time. Um, the only thing is my software, like my Wi-Fi not good, my computer not good, bro. Like sometimes I'll be mid game, the motherfucker start lagging. and skipping frames and shit. Like, the fuck? But nobody got time for that. I'm trying to get on and have some fun. I'm not trying to play Lag Fest, the fuck? I'm not trying to do that. But yeah, I've been playing this nonstop. I just been watching videos. I actually been watching videos. Like I just like the videos are good. The videos about this game are super good. The videos about this game are super good. The other one I got over here is called Final Fantasy. What is Final Fantasy, you may ask? I don't fucking know. I actually really don't know. I actually really don't know. I really don't know. Um, Final Fantasy is I don't fucking know, chat. I really don't. You'll see in just a second. Let me put this somewhere before it get lost. I cannot do it. But yeah, so I like Fortnite. Fortnite's a good game. I play it nonstop. Warframe. Warframe's a good game. I play it nonstop. Final Fantasy is a good game. I play it nonstop. Roblox. Fun game. Play it nonstop. What's in the chat? This has to download. As it downloads, I will be right back. 1 second. Alright, chat. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, so what I'm trying to say is, what I'm trying to say is, Fortnite's good, Roblox is good, War Warframe is good, Final Fantasy is good. Final Fantasy, I have nothing to worry about. Warframe, I have nothing to worry about. Roblox, nothing to worry about. But Fortnite, we have everything. We have to think about everything. We have to think about Wi-Fi. We have to think about the device. You know, the phone, the computer, the laptop. You know, with Fortnite, we have to think about everything. We have everything to worry about. Fortnite, Fortnite is FPS. Fortnite is Wi-Fi. I love the game. I play it nonstop. It's a good game, but I'm over it, chat. I'm actually just like, I'm over it. Yeah. Like, chat, I got this device. I got this device. Nothing works. I got this device. Nothing works. Chat, there's nothing to do on Fortnite. There's nothing I can do on Fortnite. There's actually nothing I can do about it. Like, literally, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm over it. I'm over it. Look, now I'm playing fucking mobile games. Because that's the only thing that works. My computer don't work. My laptop don't work. My phone, barely. My phone, barely. Holy fuck, it's still updating. Yo, this game is still updating. I guess while we wait, what I'll do is I play Fortnite game. I play a game of Fortnite while we wait for that to download. It's downloading soon. Anyway, there's a Fortnite update coming soon. Apparently, I think in like about an hour. I think about an hour. The game will update. You know, I'm waiting. We'll be playing. Oh, now I think it got delayed. It's saying March 19th. Oh, okay. Alright, well, yeah, in about one day. In about one day, we will be getting an update. One day, 4 hours, 14 minutes. New update soon. Here, let's talk. New update coming soon. Oh, but that's why that's why I don't play with FPS count. That's why y'all ever realize that I don't use the like I don't have the aim and I don't have the FPS counter because I don't care. I don't care. I don't it's really like non-existent. It's non-existent. The reason why you shouldn't be paying attention to it. It doesn't really affect me. Only time it does affect is when it's actually lagging or when it's actually spamming things. But if your game is running good and consistent, then you have nothing to worry about. But yeah, yeah, like I was saying, I don't use the ping counter. I don't use the FPS counter. The reason why is because I've always been that way. I just think it's more like something you shouldn't be thinking about. It's more like just look past it. Just look past it. Um, the more you think about it, it's not good to think about it. It's better to just put it to the side. It's better to put it to the side. Fortnite is our other little game. Our other little game from the spot. Yeah, that's the I gotta fucking fix my that easy as well. Like I just clicked wrong button on accident. I gotta fix my controller buttons. I gotta fix my game settings. Look, I gotta fix my control settings. I gotta fix my game settings. I gotta fix my device settings. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix that. See, I'm fucking old. I'm fucking old. I'm so serious. I want nothing to do with this fucking. I want nothing to fucking do. But I want nothing to fucking do with this fucking game. I'm fucking old. I want nothing to do with it. I'm fucking rich. I want nothing to do with this fucking game. I want fucking nothing to do with this fucking game. I'm fucking old. There's lag here, FPS jump here, FPS jump there, aim assist non-existent here, aim assist non-existent there. Like holy fuck, chat. Holy fucking fuck. Holy fuck, like yo, holy fuck. Because the thing about Roblox, there's nothing to worry about. Final Fantasy, nothing to worry about. Warframe, nothing to worry about. Like when I play Fortnite on my phone, Fortnite on my phone is like flawless. Like I have nothing to worry about on my phone. When I play Fortnite on my phone, nothing to worry about. It runs good. The FPS drops not bad. Everything's bad. Holy fuck, English is non-existent again. Um, yeah, Fortnite on phone. it's hard to do these, but you like that's disgusting. You know? You would have thought, right? Right? Next time you would have thought. Oh wow. Fuck wrong. But I don't play console because my controller I can't feel how it's like so it like balances it out. Alright, let's go ahead and rock course. We're going to the little rock course. Looks like it's this way. Ooh, that was good. That was good. That was good. People. All in all, I actually obviously some time to time. Holy fuck, chat! What the fuck is that lag? Yo, I was just saying, like, I was just, oh my god, it's funny. I find it funny. It's, it's I don't want to sound like I'm funny because I'm not. I'm not complaining, chat. Actually, I like I like to feel fucking Little ass game. Lag. Little ass game. Lag. Little ass game. That little ass game. Fuck. That little ass game. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo. That fucking rough. But yeah, we having fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. Yep, we're having fucking fun. Yep. We're having a lot of fucking fun, chat. We're having a lot of fucking we're having a lot of we're having a lot right? We're having fun, right, chat? Holy fuck. Holy fuck, non-existent. having fun. This was a good video. Thank you for everyone who watched. But that's gonna be everything for today. Thank you for watching. If you're in this video, I will be quiet and enjoy. Fortnite controller is on. Trick shot. Oh, oh, oh. Trick shot. Oh, wow. Top two. All good, 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 all good. All good. Hey, look, before we close, before we close, before we close, let's do a quick code. Uh, slash job code on the go for fun. If you're looking for a quick and funny Java snippet to run on the go, here is a chaotic reverse shout program. It takes any text you type and instantly reverse capitalizes and adds an exclamation mark. Or you know what? Can we do a character counter for Java? A character counter is Java is a classic starter project. You can build a basic one that counts everything using the built-in .aloof method, or get a bit more advanced by excluding spaces or counting specific characters. Click on one character counter. The snippet gives you three different stats at once: total length, length without spaces, and the number of unique characters used. And we're going to use DJ. Import java.util.scanner public class counter, boom, public static void main string args system dot out dot print versus quote type something, boom, 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 string input equals new scan versus system dot in versus dot next line currency semicolon double slash for quote comment one dot total characters currency including spaces currency. System dot out dot print line in currency quote total currency with spaces currency quote quote plus input dot length boom double slash 2 point total characters currency including spaces currency. I think that yeah. Capital S system dot out dot print line in versus quote no spaces colon quote plus input dot replace versus quote quote comma quote currency dot length currency semicolon. No way, what did you do? Yeah. That's like 3 number of unique characters Java 8 plus string currency system dot out dot print ln currency quote unique cars colon quote plus input dot cars currency dot distinct currency dot count currency semicolon brace compile and run. Type something. Hello, how's it going? Thank you very much. Total with spaces is 40, no spaces is 33, unique characters 20. That was code using Java. We did programming using the Java programming language. That code was a character counter code. It counted the characters, it counted the spaces, it counted no spaces, it counted everything. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. It's early, better known as Jay. Welcome. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Have a good one. Um, there's gonna be a Fortnite update. There's gonna be a Final Fantasy update. There's gonna be a Warframe update. There's gonna be a Roblox update. There's updates here. There's updates there. Flash news here, flash news there, flash, 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 flash. Okay, chat. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.